Hello, I'm going to show you an error that's easy to make in Gmail. The task is simple. I'm composing an email and I want to send it, and the interface makes it very easy to send that email before you're ready and gives you almost no time to fix it. For example, so here I have an email drafted. I'll go ahead and hit send. The moment I do, I have a small black bar appears at the bottom, at the left bottom of the screen. The message says message sent with an undo button. There was an undo button, but it disappeared in like 5 seconds. I'll say 5 seconds is could be enough, but sometimes it won't be enough. So if I don't catch it in time, the email is gone and there's no way to revert it. And this is what I would call an intolerant interface. The penalty for the error is high. You can unsend an email once that window closes. So the design principles, the feedback. The first principle is feedback. So right now the undo button is small, low contrast bar that vanishes real quick. A better design would make this feedback impossible to ignore, like a larger, more prominent banner, a longer default window, and ideally a sound or haptic cue on mobile. I'm using desktop right now, but yeah. We're actually just expanding the bar, like covering the entire screen would be helpful, I'll guess, because yeah, for 5 seconds I think that's enough. And principle 2 is affordances. The idea that an interface element's appearance should suggest what it does and what the consequences of using it are. And in Gmail, the send button looks essentially the same as any other button in the interface. Nothing about its visual design communicates that clicking triggers permanent high stakes action. And also a better design would give the send button an affordance that distinguishes it from low stakes controls. And third principle, constraints. Gmail already uses a soft constraint. It warns you if you write I've attached in the body but forget to attach a file. For example, hello, I've attached my resume, thank you. And if you click send, yeah, and so the same logic could be extended, like if the subject line is empty, if the email was drafted in under 30 seconds, or if the body references multiple recipients but only one is listed, the interface could surface a brief confirmation setup step before sending.